This video is given by Teach Your Brain. Be a teacher of yourself. Hey friends, welcome to my channel again. In this video, we are going to see about the last topic of class 10 chapter 6, life process. So the last topic is the well-known excretion. So you have been learning about what is excretion from your uh, primary classes, right? So normally excretion, it is the removal of waste substances from the body, right? It is the process of removal of waste substances from the body, and those waste substances are mainly produced by metabolic activities, and these should be removed from the body in time, because if it gets accumulated in any part, then it would cause some harm to that area or to our body. Okay, so before going to the human excretory system, so you have to know how unicellular organisms excrete, right? So unicellular organisms, they excrete through diffusion. Most of the processes in unicellular organisms, it takes place in the process of diffusion. Okay, and now we can see about the excretion in human beings. So human beings, it has a system, human excretory system, right? And this system actually consists of a pair of bladder, a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureter, and a urinary bladder, and a urethra. Okay, uh, now we can see that in detail. So kidney, when we talk about kidney is actually a bean shaped organ. This is what you have been studying from the primary, right? So kidney is a bean shaped organ. Yes, kidney is a bean shaped organ. You can see it well over here. In this area in the kidney, that is the inner area. Just a minute. So this area, what, 1 minute. Okay, this inner area, so kidney is actually bean shaped like this. So this area is dark region, and it is the inner dark region in the kidney. It is known as medulla. Okay, it is known as medulla. Whereas here, this concave side and this outer region, it is light colored. It is known as cortex. Okay, and here in cortex there are numerous filters. They are known as nephrons. That is, nephrons are actually the functional and structural unit of kidney. Okay, you have to differentiate between nephrons and neurons, because nephrons is different and neurons is different. Okay, nephrons, it is actually the structural unit of kidney. Okay, and we need at least one kidney to live, right? Because kidney acts as a filtrate. It will filter the waste products from our blood, and that's why we need at least one kidney to live. And for sugar patients, for diabetes patients, artificial kidney, that is hemodialysis process, will take place, right? So you have a passage that is more to know about that, but that is not important for your this class, because this is just for an extra information, that's all. But this won't come for the exam, so no, don't worry about that. Okay, so but that litter, that is normally in a healthy adult, the initial filtrate in kidneys is about 180 liter daily. So daily 180 liters kidneys will filtrate, right? Wow. But however, the volume actually excreted is only a liter or a 2 a day. Okay, the filtration occurs is for 180 liter daily, but the excreted volume is 1 or 2 liter daily. Okay, and kidney, it is of the size of our fist, right? It is the size of our fist, and the adrenal gland substances. Even if glomerular filtration occurs, there will be some certain substances that are useful. So these will be collected from the filtrate. Okay, they are reabsorbed by the capillaries surrounding the nephron. And then secretion. So extra water, salts, they are secreted into tubule, and then it opens up to the collecting duct and then into the ureter. Okay, so here simple. Excretion in plants is so simple because here certain wastes only. So first of all, gaseous wastes. So during daytime it undergoes photosynthesis, and during night time it undergoes respiration. So in daytime O2 is the waste, right, and it is given out through the diffusion from stomata, right. Also respiration, CO2 is the waste substance and it is also given out through diffusion. And then excess water. So excess water is actually removed by transpiration. Okay, and waste, they are stored, it may be stored in plants. It may be stored in plants and they may fall off from the plant. Okay, these waste products are stored as gums and resin or resin in xylem, old xylem. Okay, and those waste that it gets stored in leaves and bark, they often fall off. Okay, and then they also excrete some waste substances into the soil, that is some nutrients, some waste nutrients. If it takes in excess nutrients, then it will give out some, so they are given out into the soil around them because they take nutrients from the soil, right. So hope you understood this lesson. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt, then just email your doubts through teachyourbrainyourself at gmail.com, and or direct message me in Instagram, Teach Your Brain. Thank you.